Hey guys, what's up everybody? Welcome to a new tutorial. In this video, we'll show you some basic filters inside Photoshop CC. Filters are like layer styles. They have various types of effects and combination of multiple effects that you can apply. Working with filters deeply, come up with many creative combinations for poster and images. Let's open an image on which we are going to apply different filters to make it more effective. File, open, let's choose an image and click open. Let's have a look here in the filter menu at the very top. Here we have a bunch of many categories of filters. I suggest that instead of focusing on the filter's name, you should apply them one by one and check what they are really doing with your image, because the output of any particular filter is totally dependent upon the image on which you're working. Here we have the blur, distort, noise, pixelate, render, sharpen, stylized, video, and many more groups of filters. Also, the filter gallery is the option where you can see the preview. Let's click on it, where you can see the preview of all effects before we apply any of them. Look, we have a list of filters. You can also apply the same filter effects from this drop-down list, which contains all the filters together in a simple list. Let's try some filters effect on our image. And here we have the preview panel. Now just click on the filter which you want to apply to the image. You have to experiment to find the proper effect for your image, because many filters have a different output for every different image. But let me try the poster edges. Here on the right you can see some options to modify the effect of the selected filter. See the changing at the left in the preview panel, while I'm dragging at the right with these three options, and it's changing immediately in the left. When you're done experimenting with filters, just hit OK. Now you applied the final effect that you want to the image. Notice the difference in our image after we have given it the filter effect in the filter gallery. It has sharpened all of the edges and made the image look like it's painted. Let's try to make this image more effective. For that, let me take a duplicate of the layer. It's now a background. Let's double click on it to transform it into a layer, and now let's duplicate the layer by clicking a right click on it and duplicate layer. we can rename it also. Okay, you can see, and by clicking the filter option, you can see a set of different blur effects, but I choose now the Gaussian blur. It will blur the whole image. If it's 1, 2, and we click on the preview, set its value around 3 or 4 and hit OK. Now let's change the blending mode of a blurred image to overlay. You can see how the feel of the image is improved even before we have given any effect to the image. It was a dull image, but now the colors of the image have improved very much. I hope you guys got the basic idea about filters and how we can use them, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it.